Hello, friends. I just removed my own IUD after watching a bunch of videos and reading articles and knowing that I could. Come here. Come on. And Ruby heard me talking and she wants to help too. So I just want to say it from my point of view, and the videos that I watched, a lot of people aren't using words that like help. They're saying like that thingy or my place, and that's okay. Like you can have your own language for it, but I really wanted to talk about it a little bit more detailed. So after watching some videos, and I adjust that, guys, so it's straight. Not like me. I tried it. I got into a squatting position, and I inserted my right hand and my pointing finger as far in as I could, and I couldn't feel anything. I could feel my cervix, which is kind of like when you insert your hand, it feels like there's a nub, right? And so this is your cervix. And what I did was feel around there, trying to feel the string of the IUD. And there's the IUD. So it's kind of like it's in there. And if I put it against the white wall, you can see it. But what happened was with mine, and I watched a woman's video that said that hers was curled all the way in, like around her cervix. So what I did was I eventually, after watching a few more videos, I squatted again, and then I went and I searched and I found it. It was basically like that, how it's lying there right now. Imagine that. I found it, and after I had washed and dried my hands thoroughly, I went and found it and tried to bring it around, and it took a second, and I was bringing it around and around. And I don't have nails, but I did try to use what nails I had to kind of grab it and bring it down. And then once it was down, I reached in with my pointer and my thumb on my left hand, because I switched, because one woman said that she used her left hand instead. So I went in, I grabbed it, and a lot of people were saying, just take it out slowly and try not to lose hold of the string. So it was my first attempt, amazingly enough. I don't know if this is a very long string or not. It seems pretty long to me, but I grabbed it and I pulled it out of my cervix very slowly, and it came out. And when you see people touch these in their videos, they're saying, oh, it moves really easily. This Mirena actually has some resistance to it. So it would be easy if I could pull it through right now, but right now I feel resistance. So I think that's like something that people weren't pointing out. So it came out. There was a little blood on here, and I'm spotting now. I have felt no cramping. I have felt like the most minimal discomfort. Like it's not even discomfort. It's just probably my cervix kind of readjusting to not having this guy in there, or this girl, because I don't want guys in there. And now I am hanging it on my refrigerator, and I'm very proud that I took it out myself. I kind of yelled in delight, and my dog came running. I am so available to answer any questions, and I'm not a doctor. I do think that it is good for women and people with vaginas to share their experiences with each other, and so that's why I'm doing this. I identify as genderqueer. The reason I took it out was because I was gaining a lot of weight, and I hadn't really changed anything besides this going in. When I had been told by the doctors that there is going to be no weight gain. But what I've seen online is that that's not true. that is happening. So what happened with me is I gained a lot of weight. I'm not fitting in a lot of my clothes. That it's clean. I'm just playing with it because I'm nervous about taking this video. I am not fitting in a lot of my clothes, and I'm feeling kind of a bit body dysmorphic because my tits have grown and my belly, and I don't mind my ass growing because I love that, but that's that. So it's kind of an experiment to see if this will help that kind of cease and help me get back to the strength and physique that I want for myself. And if I haven't said enough about how I did it, then let me know. Definitely wash your hands. Oh, one woman said, excuse my hands, I have workers' hands. And that actually was really helpful for me because I have really large hands. It's larger when I put it like that, but they're pretty big and my fingers are pretty big, so I was worried that I wasn't going to be able to do such a delicate maneuver. And when she said that she had delicate hands, workers' hands, it kind of gave me more confidence. Another woman said that hers was curled like all the way up, and you could see once she took her strings out, and I'll put it in front of the blue wall, I have like a little curl. Hers were curled all the way up. So it's probably going to be different and difficult for other people. And I would say if you feel any major pain or discomfort in doing it, or if you don't want to, there are women's clinics that you don't have to pay $100, $200, whatever. You can try to find this procedure for free. You just have to like reach out and look. Me, I wanted it done right away, and I wanted to do it myself. Like DIY, my Mirena. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful, and that's all I have to say. All right, bye.